Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the project and placing files where the app serves them. Once done, make an index, HTML inside www and add a C hash controller or razor page. You want the HTTP endpoint to exist before wiring the client. Next, configure startup or program. CS to serve static files and add routing. Make sure to enable JSON serialization, otherwise the front end can't parse responses. This gets you to the first actionable state, a reachable HTML page and a C hash endpoint. You now connect HTML to C hash by calling endpoints from client-side JavaScript. Use fetch/API/values with method get or post and include headers, content type, application/JSON. On the C hash side, create an API controller method returning iActionResult or task iActionResult and return OK, your model. Once the client receives JSON, parse it and update DOM elements. Also make sure CORS is configured in program. CS, if your HTML, you finish by testing the full flow, load index. HTML, trigger the JavaScript call and observe the response updating the page. Once done, add model binding and server-side validation so bad input is rejected early. Make sure routes and endpoints match exactly and that static files are served. If things go wrong, enable logging and inspect browser dev tools. Often the issue is CORS, incorrect route, or JSON format mismatch. Fix the smallest mismatch first, then retest end-to-end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.